In today's food service industry, beverage quality depends on efficient refrigeration that cools faster, stores better, and reduces costs. Welcome to PartsFe. Beverage coolers have become an essential part of restaurants, bars, convenience stores, cafes, and commercial kitchens, offering advanced features that help businesses maintain product quality while improving day-to-day operations. Let's look into what makes a cooler perfect for a business. First is temperature consistency. These units use advanced airflow technology to circulate cold air evenly throughout the cabinet. This ensures that every bottle, can, and beverage container remains at the ideal serving temperature, preventing warm spots and preserving freshness. Another important factor is cooling speed. Equipped with high-performance compressors and efficient refrigeration systems, these coolers rapidly chill beverages and quickly recover temperatures after the doors are open. This helps businesses keep products ready for customers even during peak service hours. Storage efficiency also plays a significant role. With spacious interiors and adjustable shelving, these coolers maximize storage capacity while keeping beverages organized and easy to access. Better organization improves inventory management and allows staff to work more efficiently. Next is energy efficiency. These coolers are built with high-density insulation, self-closing doors, and energy-saving components that help reduce electricity consumption without compromising cooling performance. This leads to lower utility costs and improved sustainability. Durability and reliability are equally essential. Constructed with commercial-grade materials, these coolers are designed to withstand demanding environments and provide long-lasting performance. Their dependable operation helps minimize maintenance requirements and reduce costly downtime. When combined, all these benefits make beverage coolers a smart investment for any food service operation. By improving beverage storage, enhancing cooling speed, optimizing energy usage, and supporting reliable performance, they help businesses deliver consistently chilled beverages while increasing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving customer satisfaction. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts in the USA and Canada, visit PartsFe and follow us for more appliance replacement tips. Thanks for watching.